What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral. Today is the day I'm going to be doing a video on testing out 3M tape. And my whole box needs to be taped inside. And let's see the meter results before and after. Enjoy. So let's go ahead and get started. The tape right now is only about a tenth of the box, and the tape I only used was on the corners, the edges, the creases, pretty much anywhere that you would think there would be a leak in the box. I have tape. So the rest of the box is all surface area, which I am going to be taping. By the end of this video, you'll see the meter results before and after. So there's a little bit of dust and debris in here as well, so that could absorb a tenth depending on how much is in there. So it depends on your box, but I'm not going to do anything to the box. I'm going to keep the port how it is. I'm going to keep the braces, subs, everything wired the same. And the meter results will be to see what's the difference in output without doing anything but tape. And I'm going to just keep it on this amp, and I'll show you the power and all of that for the meter results in a second. So let's go ahead and turn this on. If y'all haven't already, subscribe. Do a lot of car audio videos. I don't have a dash for any new watchers. Sorry. But let me go ahead and get everything set up real quick. Just want to say again, one more time, this is test results to find out if me putting tape in here helps me on the meter at all. Literally just adding tape to this, and I'm going to test before and after in this video, so we'll find out. Turn on my iPod. I got my SSA meter. Let me make sure I put it in the right location. I put it in the same spot for both. So it's going to take about 3 to 4 hours to tape. So I put the meter right there. And I'm going to make sure I have the exact same location for the meter, and all of the results will be the exact same. Same volume on the head unit, everything will be the same. So I got my meter on. Let me turn my head unit on. Let's do it. So I'm not going to do completely full volume because of voltage drop or temperature difference and all. So you can play with a few tenths difference just by stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do volume 45. We're going to remember that. Volume 45. Let me make sure I show you all on here. Volume 45. All right, we're going to remember volume 45. And we're going to remember it's on max here. Shouldn't matter there. I'll always keep that on max. So volume 45 is what it's going to be on. I'm going to have the door shut and the window down on this side. The seat is all the way up as far as it'll go. And we'll find out. Let's see the meter results before, and then by the end of the video, we'll see the results after, all in one video. Doing the first test in the morning, so the alternator hasn't been turned on for a little while. Definitely a little cooler, so make sure I do the same thing when I test it with it taped up all the way. So let me go ahead and do a sweep. This will be the initial results. I'm going to do, not a sweep, sorry. A sweep will cause me to have deviation in volume and output, so I'm going to do at my peak at 45 volume level in the head unit. Sorry you couldn't see it. So I'm going to do 49 decibels, or 49 hertz, and here's my initial number before taping the box. So before taping the box, let's go ahead and do it. 49 hertz. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Bass knob. Make sure the bass knob is all the way up. All right, bass knob is all the way up. 49, here we go. All right, that's gonna be initial test before. 59.56. Keep in mind, this is not full tilt. My voltage only dropped to 13.8. If it was full tilt to clipping, it'd be a lot louder, a little bit louder, not a lot, as well as it would have a little bit more deviation, but I didn't turn it up, but about, probably about 3/4 volume. So 59.56 dB, that's the number you want to remember for this test. Before tape results, and then after tape results at 59.56 dB, 49 hertz. So we'll go ahead and get this whole sucker taped up, and then we'll see the video afterward for how much I gained or lost. You never know. I would assume for a gain, because I've done this stuff before, and I used tape, and it kind of helped me give me good results for gaining on the meter. It was more around the port area, here on the port where I gained, as well as in the corners and around the subwoofer. And really that's it. Around the subwoofer, on the port area, and that's really the only two areas besides the cracks and leaks that I actually noticed the beneficial gain. So this one might actually break even, lose a tenth or two depending on that, or gain a tenth or two, you never know. But hey, we'll find out in a minute. So let me go ahead and get this whole thing taped up. Remember the seat location, remember on the glass, remember that window's up, this window's down. I don't do anything with the port, keep it how it is until after I get the whole thing taped up. And then we'll find out the results afterward at volume 45 on the head unit. So remember, let me screenshot it, 59.56 at 49 hertz, and then I'll be able to show you all the results afterward. So stay tuned. All right, got it vacuumed out. There's my stack of tape. Link in the description for where I buy this at. You can get it on Amazon, eBay, Lowe's, etc. 3M HVAC aluminum foil tape. Let's go ahead and get this sucker loaded in. Going to be taping. I'll let y'all know the time stamp as well, how long it takes to do it. I'll give y'all updates as I do it. It's going to be a long taping period. 1 hour in. Got one side done. And the front. So I got the front done and the side done in 1 hour. Let's keep going. And another hour down. Got the whole back done. The rest of this side. All here. Half of the bottom. So 2 hours in and looking like probably about another 20 to 30 minutes and I should be complete. Got the bottom to do. This corner. A little bit on the top to patch up a couple areas. And we should be in business. Demo results or the meter results soon. So just want to say links in the description for all the support that you guys give me with watching, being subscribed, as well as check out some of the things that y'all could help support the channel with. And stay tuned for meter result numbers with all of this tape in here. Gonna see if we actually gain. I'm back. Officially done. Taped the whole thing. We're about to find out what it meters afterward. So let's just confirm one more time. 59.56 at 49 hertz. I'll do 49 hertz burp with the exact same variables and see if I gained anything. It's a little warmer now, so if the decibel is off, it could be off about 2 or 3 tenths from my experience, even up to half a dB depending on how the alternator is. But I haven't been running the vehicle for a while, but it's the same day, but probably about 20 degrees warmer. So let me go ahead and get this turned on and make sure everything's set in place like it was before. And let's find out what it does. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think as far as this. Keep in mind that this is just for fun, entertainment. This is not to prove anything. And I'm not the best at proving out stuff like this. This is all entertainment. So put the window up on that side, window on the glass on the same side as always at. Make sure my head unit's at 45 volume. So I'm gonna go to 45. That's very important to make sure it's the same. I'm expecting the number to be within 2 tenths. So whatever this result is, it's got to be within 2 tenths, up or down. If it goes more than 2 or 3 tenths up or down, then that shows that this is either a good gain, good loss, or a bad loss. Seat's exactly how it was, all the way up. Make sure everything's right. And then it connects to the actual meter. And let me know what y'all think in the comments as well. Comment and let me know if y'all think this is a good experiment or not. It's definitely not the most appealing look aesthetic for this, but I enjoy it. Alright. Got this hooked up. There we go. Door shut. Alright. Everything is right where it was supposed to be. I'm at volume 45. We're going to do it at 49 hertz. Yep. Okay. 49 hertz. Here we go. Let's find out. I'm not revving either, so everything's the exact same variable. All right. exact same variable. We're about to find out. 59.32. Uh-oh. That might not be promising. My peak might have changed as well by doing that, so. It has been known to go up or down the frequency just by tape, but there's the result. 59.32. So that means I actually went down 0.2. So temperature could have been the reason. It could have also been my peak could have drastically changed as well. There's no telling, but there's the result. 0.32, 0.56, so 0.22 dB difference. It actually went down 0.2 instead of up. But there you go. So taping the whole box, definitely a little disappointing to show, but it's all on video that I didn't get a substantial half dB gain, but that's to be expected. To be honest, this actually helps prove to me that tape only works if you're using it for the port to smooth out your port or to loosen out all your cracks in your enclosure, not the actual surface area. So me taping the surface area, maybe this video helps me show that it's a waste of time. I personally do it for looks as well, but if this video has helped anybody, I hope it has. It definitely disappoints me, but also makes me happy at the same time because I did it on video. I actually thought I was going to gain half a dB, but I didn't gain or lose anything. Within 0.2, like I mentioned earlier, I was dead on, so I didn't lose or gain. I pretty much stayed the same, so I'm happy with it. I'm glad it wasn't a major loss, but I'm also disappointed it wasn't a higher gain. But there's the result. Thank y'all for watching. Hit the like button. Let me know what you think in the comments. And sorry if this is disappointing for some of y'all. So, but yep, sounds like tape was a more aesthetic look, like I mentioned earlier. I already had tape on all the critical areas as well, so the tape was more for just to see if it was a gain just on the surface, like I mentioned. I know I keep repeating myself, but I got to make sure y'all know the way I figured this test. So anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.